Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TD Ameritrade account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.tdameritrade.com and press enter. Wait for the TD Ameritrade homepage to load completely. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and one for your password. Enter your TD Ameritrade username in the first field. Make sure to double-check your username for any typos. Next, move to the password field. Carefully enter your password. If you wish to save your credentials for future logins, check the box for Remember My Username. Once both fields are filled out, look for the Login button. Click the Login button to access your account. If you have entered your credentials correctly, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, ensure that your username and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. Once logged in, explore your account options and features. Always remember to log out when you're finished, especially on public or shared devices. To log out, look for your account profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the profile icon and select Log Out. You're now logged out of your TD Ameritrade account securely. This concludes the login process for your TD Ameritrade account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.